Now we're going to test the latch position and see how they close, and we're going to make them adjust properly. And the way you do that is you take your 13mm, an extension, and what we do is we loosen both sides of these front latches. These are the mounting bolts, and you want it so they're moving back and forth where they can slide. We're going to make this latch pin adjust just right in the right position, forward and back, on both sides. So loosen them both up just a little bit, watching not to damage the wire or do something to it. Okay, the cable. All right, now what we're going to do, I'm going to move you over here just a little bit so I can go in here. I'm going to put these latches down like it was closing the hood. And I pull up to make sure it's good and latched on both sides. And then I feel the position and move them a little bit. And then I'm going to hit the hood release, and we're going to do it again, making sure they're latched. And then we're going to hit the hood release. Okay, they're perfectly aligned. Carefully now, what you do is hold it in position and get one of them tight, not disturbing it. Okay, now I can tighten the other one. Okay. All right, that one's set. Now I hold it down and tighten this one. Okay, now I can tighten the other. Okay. Your front latches are adjusted. That puts the back latches adjusted also. So now, when we mount the hood and close it, everything should work. I'm going to show you one other thing though. Let's test to be sure that all the latches release together. So you can take each latch, push down on the top black part till it snaps over here. We're simulating closing of the hood. All latches are operated. Now I'm going to depress it and listen for the sound to be sure all of them operate equally. Everything at the same time. Now here's the thing. If that didn't happen, if you have the back latch is last, then this is the adjustment that you would work, and you'd loosen these two bolts right here, and then you can turn them and actually lengthen and shorten this up. So it's a trial and error that you have to work with to get this one to operate with all the others. That's what it amounts to.